In this video, I'm going to cover all the ways that you can rack up the points you need to travel to that destination that you thought you couldn't afford. Stay tuned.
How many people do it from 3,000 feet?
Alright, so yes, I'm going to talk about what I do to help me rack up all these points, so that way I can travel and see the world on a shoestring budget. And before I dive into this, I do not get paid. So any companies I mention, I am not getting a single dime for. There are other ways that you could help me, support me, which we'll get into those in just a little bit. But I'm also getting a little congestion, so I got my hot tea. I'm going through a hot tea phase. It's pretty good. But yeah, so if you've seen some of my other videos or you're new to all this, there's ways you can travel for a shoestring budget. It's just, it is possible, and it's what I've done mostly for the past 15 years to get me to 34 different countries. I've got a couple of notes right here. I can't ever remember anything, and I don't have any cool like studios, so you know, just forgive me for having to look at my notepad. But anyway, I'm going to jump into it. So I'm going to say something, and immediately people are going to be like, credit cards. Credit cards are the #1 way for you to travel and see the world without having to break the bank. I have other videos I'll pin somewhere that talk about that, because we're not going to go into depth on the actual credit cards or what credit cards to use. What I am going to talk about is I'm going to feature, I guess you could say, my Southwest credit card and what I do to rack up Southwest Airlines points that also include my credit card. So obviously, you have the sign-on bonuses. We're not going to get into that. I have another video that talks about sign-on bonuses. That's the easiest way to rack up points. That's how I have the companion pass with no companion. And currently, I'm sitting at 313,000 points. And Southwest has a ton of options. I found Aruba the other day. 12,000 points there, 4,000 points back. You can't beat that. That's why I love Southwest's point system. So, some things that I do to rack up points outside of my sign-on bonuses. And a lot of people tell me this: oh, I'm not going to be able to spend $100,000 to get 100,000 points. You don't have to. You're lazy. I'm just joking, kind of. Anyway, couple things. I'm going to try to put some screenshots in here too. The shopping portal. There we go. So a lot of these airlines have shopping portals. Again, we're highlighting the Southwest. I've used the Southwest and the American Airlines. I have gotten about 10,000 points this past year on the shopping. I can't say that, shopping portal. Things that I'm using already every day. These are not things I'm adding and going out and spending money I don't need to spend. These are things I'm already purchasing, but if I go through the portal, I'm going to get points. I got up to, I think, 4,300 points on one of those home meal kit things, and every once in a while I'll try those out, and I think they're great. It was like Blue Apron or something like that, but I got 4,300 bonus points on my Southwest account. So that was that's a one-way leg to Aruba just for going through their portal. I also have a little calendar, and when the subscription's up, I cancel it because that's when they also start charging you. So that's a whole nother deal. With the shopping portal, everything that I already am buying or need to buy or need to subscribe to, I go check my shopping portal. So I got the Southwest shopping portal. American Airlines, I think I got about 7,000 extra points on American Airlines going through their shopping portal. I'm going to, again, try to put those screenshots in there, but I'm not that great at this editing stuff. Another thing with Southwest is they have a partner website you can use for booking hotels called Rocket Miles. So Rocket Miles is free. You don't have to do anything. You just attach your Southwest Airlines account to that. You can also attach a couple of other airlines and hotels to the things I'm talking about today. So you have the Rocket Miles website. You can get one. You can book. Man, I cannot speak tonight. Hang on. So you can get one night somewhere, and you get 1,000 extra points. I think the most you can get is 10,000 extra points in a booking. I just spit. I don't know if you can see that. I think the most I've gotten is 4,000 points in one booking. But you go on there, and I've also noticed the prices are the exact same, maybe even $1 or $2 cheaper than some of the other websites that I use. So it's always good to check Rocket Miles, especially if you're a Southwest airline holder and want to get points, to when you're booking, to get those bonus miles, if that makes sense. Next, referrals. And this is where I'm going to ask you to do something. If you found this video helpful, I want you to please subscribe and hit the like button. It helps me a lot. I'm working really hard to try to grow this channel. Struggling a little bit, but you know, nose to the grindstone. I'm pushing through because I'm really trying to put some information out there that's helpful to everybody, to save everybody some money, because I know it's tough out there, and I know a lot of people want to travel and they just don't know how to do it. So I'm trying to spread the knowledge that I've done. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, drop a comment below and let me know what your favorite line or thing was. But referrals, I have a referral link below. You can get anywhere from 5,000 to 20,000 points per referral. So once you get the credit card, you can refer your friends, family, or whatnot, and you're going to rack up 20,000 up to 100,000 points in one calendar year. And 100,000 points to get the companion pass, it's only 135,000 points. So if you didn't even get a sign-on bonus and you just referred 5 people, I mean, that's 100,000 points right there. So yeah, the referrals on all the credit cards, they have referral links, so check them, refer your friends and family, and you're going to get those extra bonuses. I think I got 3 people this year. I helped 3 people in the last 2 months actually get some cards, and so I got a bonus. So that's where I'm asking if you can help me, because I don't get paid for any of this. Next, promo offers. Every airline is going to have a section of offers. All right, Flying Blue, which is KLM and Air France, has crazy offers. Every month they change, and they offer anywhere from 25 to 50% off the base fare on certain legs, short haul, long haul, just depends. That's how I went to Morocco for only 12,000 points each way, so 24,000 points. I transferred Chase points over there and I got a bonus, and then I got 25% off the flight with the points. So I was able to go over there. I think it was 24,000 points for like $200 in taxes. That was round trip to Morocco, guys. It's possible. You can do this. I'm telling you, you can do this. But I went and looked at the promo fares and the promo offers. Every airline has them. You just have to look. Also, a lot of the hotels have promo offers. A lot of the credit cards have promo offers. So I told my mom this, which my mom's like the only one that watches all my videos. Thanks, Mom. So you can go on there. I was telling her the other day, you can go on there and each month they might have different, like you get 5 or 6 extra points per dollar spent on gas or groceries or whatever it is. So since I have a few credit cards, because I do the credit card hacking, I go there once a month, I have it in my little calendar, and it takes me 3 minutes to look and see, all right, this month I'm going to be getting X amount of groceries, this month on gas, yada, yada, yada. So now I'm racking up tons of points per, so 5 points per every dollar spent. So you don't have to spend $100,000 to get 100,000 points. That's my thing. Just right here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 things can get you there quick. Now obviously if you're only using your credit card once or twice a month, you're not gonna, it's not the promo offers for the credit cards aren't going to help you. The promo offers are going to be great for the actual airlines. You know, even Southwest, they do $39 fares, which a lot of people say, oh, I never find them. You just got to look at the fine print because it's like times and dates and stuff like that. I've used them, and the fares, 39 is also, it discounts their points. So I've gotten flights for 2,500 points to Colorado. I mean, their point system is unmatched. And then last, we have the sign-on bonuses. I have a full video of that, but basically you can get sign-on bonuses with Delta Airlines, IHG, just whatever it is. They change often, so you just need to know or ask me what I think is the best promos for this month for these credit cards to get the most sign-on bonuses. So yeah, I hope this was as short as I was planning. I was trying to be under like 7 minutes, but I know that this information will help you get those points with those airlines or those hotels or whatnot to help you travel and get to that destination to save money and enjoy yourself. Again, thank you for watching, and if you would hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends if you thought it was great, because that helps me out a lot. But we will catch you on the next one. Thanks.